welcome to my channel. If you are new in my channel, so you can click on subscribe button and press bell icon so you get first notification when I upload my new video. And you like my video and content, so please do like, comment and share. And humble request to guys, do support. Thank you so much. Today we are learning about general account of volvox. In general account of volvox, we can study classification of volvox, habit and habitat and structure of volvox and reproduction of volvox. So first of all, we can study a classification of volvox. So in division, Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Volvocales, family Volvocaceae and genus Volvox. Occurrence of volvox: freshwater forms in temporary and permanent pools as spherical and oval shape, commonly found in rainy seasons, mostly occur in planktonic form. This figure shows the thallus structure of volvox. This is a daughter colony that is labeled and cytoplasmic strand and contractile vacuoles, eye spots, cell wall, flagella, nucleus, chloroplast and starch grains are already labeled in this figure. So contractile vacuoles, this eye spots, cell wall, this is a flagellated structure is flagellum, the nucleus of volvox, chloroplast in this cavity, and this is starch sheath, starch granules matlab. So volvox is a colonial algae which is synobial form. This is called cynobia actually. These cynobia are oval to spherical in shape with 500 to 60,000 cells. Its diameter is 0.5 mm to 1 mm. It looks like a small green balls. It is motile and show polarity. It has anterior and posterior end. And the cells are biflagellated and arranged in single layer within the periphery. Each cell has its own gelatinous sheath. The adjacent cells are connected by cytoplasmic strands. The central hollow cavity is filled with water. Each cell is chlamydomonas-like. The protoplast is surrounded by plasma membrane. There is a single nucleus, a cup-shaped chloroplast, 2 contractile vacuoles and 2 flagella, and eye spots in each cells. Most of the cells are vegetative but few are reproductive. The reproductive cell do not have flagella and are comparatively larger than vegetative cell. So this line is very important. So how reproductive cells are present in the posterior end? The anterior end contain vegetative cells and with relatively large eye spots than the cell in the posterior end. Thus the cynobia of volvox shows polarity. Reproduction in volvox. Volvox reproduce by asexual and sexual means. Asexual reproduction, it takes place by a special type of cell called gonidia situated at the posterior end of the volvox. Gonidia are larger than the vegetative cells. They are spherical and highly vacuolated. They develop numerous pyrenoids. Nucleus is in the center. They do not have flagella and eye spots. The gonidium is embedded in the hollow gelatinous cavity of the colony. The protoplast of the gonidium divide and forms daughter colonies. Development of daughter colonies. The gonidium undergoes 3 longitudinal division forming 8 cells. They are arranged in curved plate. This stage is called 8-cell stage, Placia stage. This is important. 8-cell stage is Placia stage. Each of these 8 cell division longitudinally forming 16 cells. These cells form a sphere with opening phyllopore which is toward the periphery of the colony. This 16 cell divide repeatedly may form 60,000 cells. The anterior part of each cell is directed towards the center of the hollow sphere. There is a formation of constrictions at the posterior end of the sphere which pushes the cell toward the phyllopore and hence process of inversion occur. After inversion of the colony is completed, each cell secretes gelatinous cell wall and develops flagella. Many daughter colonies may develop within parent colony at the same time. They swim in the sheath of parent colony. They are released after the disintegration of parent colony. This shows asexual reproduction in volvox. Gonidium cell divides into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 16. 8 cells divide, and that stage is known as a plakia stage. Then after 16 and 16 to 60,000 division occur. These all are daughter colonies. Failure for constrictions of colony, inversion of colony, anterior side of the facing periphery. So now we can study about the sexual reproduction in volvox. It takes place at the end of growing season. It is a oogamous type. The species can be monoecious or dioecious. The monoecious species are protrudens. The antheridia mature before oogonia. Antheridia means male and oogonia means female. Structure: the cells which develop into reproductive cell and located in the posterior part of the colony, and they are called as gametangia. Male gametangia, antheridia, and female gametangia is oogonia. Antheridium, the gametangium develop into antheridium is larger than vegetative cell of the colony. It withdraws its flagella and the protoplasm divide repeatedly to form 62-512 cord-shaped cell. Each cell develop into naked biflagellate antherozoids. And oogonium, the gametangium develop into oogonium is larger than the cell of the other colony. It increase in size, become flask shaped. The entire protoplasm forms a single uninucleate, non-flagellated and spherical egg. It has parietal chloroplast and lot of reserve food material. And fertilization. Finally, the antherozoid, after liberation, swim in water. When they come in contact with female colony, they get attached to its surface and break down the colonial matrix. One antherozoid fuses with each egg to form zygote. Zygote secretes a 3-layered thick wall. The zygote may remain dormant for some time and is then liberated by the disintegration or the parent colony. They show antheridia, male gametangia, female antherozoids, and fertilizations occur. In this sexual reproduction is in simple way. We can study in the diagrammatic forms, so we can study easily that. This diagram shows this is gonorrhea, asexual reproduction. This shows daughter colony, उसमें divide होके हो गया. This volvox, sexual reproduction in volvox. ओगोनियम female and antheridium मतलब दोनों n. Then in antheridium antherozoids, ओगोनियम में से egg. Then after fertilization, antherozoids and egg diffuse with each other, and then fertilization occur. Then fertilization takes place in zygotic form. Then after meiosis occur, reduction division of meiosis. Then after zoospores, then after juvenile colony, and then after volvox mature. I hope you all are enjoying this session. Keep supporting guys, and thanks for watching, and thanks for your all appreciation.